This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, next 2 days or 3 days we'll discuss about data pages, in depth about data pages. Okay, what is the use of data pages? What are the different options are available in a database? Okay, what are the different options are available in a database? First one, what is the use of data pages? Okay, by using data pages, we can fetch the multiple records from database table, or we can fetch the single record from database table by passing primary key value, or we can insert or update the data into the database table, or we can connect with external applications. Okay, we can connect with external applications. Okay, we can connect with external applications by using SOAP or REST. Okay, by using data pages, we can fetch the multiple records from the database table, or we can fetch the single record from the database table. Okay, advantages of data pages. The same thing we can achieve by using report definition. The same thing we can achieve by using activity also. Few of the requirements we can achieve by using activities. For example, you can take like a report definition. By using report definition, we can fetch the multiple records from database table. Same thing by using OBJ browse method. OBJ browse method in activity. By using OBJ browse method in activity, or else OBJ open method in activity. Okay, we can fetch the multiple records from database table, or else any even single record also we can fetch by using data pages. A single record by using report definition, by using activities also we can fetch a single record. Okay, by using activities also we can fetch the single record. Then what is the difference? So what is the difference between data pages, report definition, and activities? Okay, even previously whatever we discussed, the same thing. So now I'm going to open one website. Okay, I'm going to open. You can open one website. Okay, click on this one. Okay, click on this one. Now I'm going to click on this article. Okay, now I'm going to click on this article. You can click this article. Okay, click this article. Okay, now see. Now I went through this article. Again I closed this one. Again when I'm going to open this one. So when I'm going to open this one, now you can think and tell me. Okay, when I clicked this one, first time, how much time it will take to load this content, and the second time also, how much time it will load to load this entire content. When it will take more time?
First time.
First time.
First time. And the first time from where it will fetch this content, and the second time from where it will fetch this content.
First time it
First
will
time
fetch
from
from database,
First
Will
time
be from
database,
a
second time history.
Okay.
and second time it
first time
from
from server, second time from cache.
Gotcha.
Gotcha.
You are telling that first time it will take in time compared to second time when I'm going to mathematical. Okay. Why? Because it will go to the server and then it will fetch the data. Second time same content it will check already you opened or not. Okay. Okay. Similar even data pages behavior also similar only. Okay. Data pages behavior also similar only. Your report definitions and activities. When you are trying to fetch the data, even same data or different data, it will go to the DB. Every time it will go to the DB and then it will fetch the data from the database table. Every time it will go to the DB and then it will fetch the data. Even same like activity also, it will go to the DB and then it will fetch the data. Okay, it will fetch the data. Activity also, every time it will go to the DB, it will fetch the data. Simple. For example, in our home itself, mother told something to get from supermarket. Okay, 8, 7 a.m. Again after 8 a.m. Okay, 8 a.m. Again she told to get something from supermarket. Again 9 a.m. Again 12 a.m. Or else again something like on daily basis whatever we will use at that time what we will tell. In general what we will tell, come on. Okay, when your mother or father told something to get from supermarket, at that time we will inform to them. Okay, instead of telling to bring something at a time, you can tell all, right? What is the disadvantages of that one? If they are telling like every time, every 1 hour or every half an hour to bring some new, some different things from supermarket. Hmm. What is the disadvantage?
taking time.
taking more time.
It is taking a time, right?
Mm.
Okay,
Number of hits.
unnecessary were going outside, and then it will reduce your energy also. Agree? Sir,
Yes.
it will reduce your
Yes,
energy, right?
yes.
Yes.
See, unnecessary work, same work, or else it's some different work also. If you tell, then at a time I will bring all the things, all the okay, food items, or else whatever things are required. So we will intimate like that. Similar way here also, how your database will behave. How your database will behave is okay, when you are requesting it, see again within the thread or within the okay, we'll discuss about the thread requester and node also. It will load only, okay, it will load one time. It will not hit the DB. Okay, when a requester requesting the same type of data or different data within the scope, it will not hit the DB every time. First time it will go to the DB, it will fetch the data, it will save the data into the clipboard. Second time onwards, instead of going to the DB, it will fetch the data from the clipboard. But report definition and okay, OBJ okay, report definition and activities, every time it will hit the DB. A simple example you can take like category and non-category and subcategory, or else okay, country and state. Whether those values will change when I'm going to select the subcategory. When I'm going to select the category related subcategories items now I want to fetch. Whether those values will change. Always constant only, right? So why
Yes.
you want to hit?
Multiple times. Yes.
Okay, why you want to hit the DB every time? But your report definition and OBJ browse method always it will hit the DBs. Because of that one, see now you only telling that every time if you go supermarket, you will get a fresh items, right? There is some advantage or not? Come on,
Yes.
you will get up to date products, right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe within 1 hour they will get some different product also. There is some advantages also available, disadvantages also available. Agree?
Yes. Space
Yeah,
also.
similar way. See, advantages point of view, we can say that every time instead of going to the DB, single line answer, it will reduce the it will reduce the network round trips between your Pega application and Pega database table. Agree? Simple one line answer. We can say like that or not. What is the advantages of data pages means? Uh, Come on, data pages will reduce the okay between Pega application and database table. Okay, explanation. Okay, when requester is requesting same type of data, okay, same type of data, okay, within the within the scope, I am going to write like that. Within the scope, okay, within the data page scope, within the data pages scopes, within the scope. Okay, first to data pages will go to the database table and fetch the data. It will store into clipboard. Next time onwards, instead of going to the DB, instead of going to the database table, okay, it will fetch the data from clipboard. Instead of going to the DB, it will fetch the data from database table. Simply, it will reduce the DB hits. Single line answer. Okay, means it will reduce the database hits. Okay, what about report definition? Okay, every requester, when requester requesting the same type of data, every time, okay, every time it will go to the database table and fetch the data. Okay, even okay, if we use the report definition, sir, mostly try to use the data pages, whatever scenarios. Even someone told, sir, again internally we are calling activity or data transform or report definition. Okay, but once it is loaded again and again, it will not call report definition to get the data from the table. Okay, if you call even activity also in a database, again it will not call activity to reload. Again and again, it will not reload the activity. Again and again, it will not reload the data report definition, whatever source you are calling in a database. Okay, this is the difference you can explain if someone is going to ask you. Okay, if you use the activities. Okay, sir, now we will discuss what are the different options are available in the database. So what are the different options are available in the data pages? Okay, next one here. All the data pages are starts with D underscore. D underscore. Sir, old versions, Pega old versions, okay, Pega 6 up to Pega 7.3 or below versions, 7.2 or below versions, data pages also we can call as a declarative pages. Okay, data pages we can call as a declarative pages. Old versions we can call as a declarative pages, and old version Pega 6 or Pega 7 of some specific versions we can call as a declarative pages. Okay, now we'll discuss. Okay, I'm going to create a follow this navigation to create a database. Right click on class, create okay, data model and database. This is the navigation we will follow to create a database. Okay, right click data model and data pages. You can give any name. You can give any name and click on create and open. See, I told that when you are giving a name at that time, automatically it will take, for example, get customer details. It will starts with a D underscore. It will starts with a D underscore, and okay, it will starts with a D underscore. Okay, whatever name you are giving, okay, it will append. Okay, it will append D underscore. Okay, D underscore your label name. Okay. So what are the options are available? Now we will discuss. First one we'll discuss about the definition tab. Structure. Okay, what type of database now you want to create, whether a page database or listed database. From everywhere, even from to fetch the data from the table or to connect with some different system, or else okay, we will create we will call the data transform. Okay, in a data transform. Okay, in a data transform we will set some data also. We will call this some data transform, and then in a data transform we will call the um, functions, some dss to get the dss value. That dss value we will refer through data pages. See what, when we will select a page and list option. Okay, when we will select the page and list option, so whenever you want to fetch the single record, at that time we can select the page. And in case if you want to fetch the multiple records, then we will select the list. Okay, then we will select the list. Sir, page, when we will select, whenever you want to fetch the single record from database table or external table, or you want to set some single value, at that time we will select the page. And whenever you want to select get the multiple records from the from database table or external table, or to set some multiple values, at that time also to set multiple values. Remember, not only to get the data, to set multiple values. We will create activity or we will create a data transform. Those things we will call here, and then we can set the values. It's not mandatory to connect with external system. It's not mandatory to connect with external system. We can set the data also. Okay, sir. Now here, first one is the structure. Okay, either a page or list. Here, page data page. Okay, list data page. These are the different types of data pages are available. Savable database. savable database. Sir, okay, by using page database, by using page database, we can fetch the single record by passing the primary key value. Okay, we can fetch the single record by passing the primary key value. Sir, what about list database? By using a list database, we can fetch the multiple records from the database table. Okay, we can fetch the multiple records from the database table. Okay, by using savable database, okay, by using savable database, we can insert or update the data into database table. Go top, we can insert or update the data into database table. Okay, these are the different types of data pages are available. Okay, if you want to fetch the single record, then you can select the page. If you want to fetch the multiple records, you can select the list data page. Okay, next one. Okay, they will ask you what are the sources available for page or list data pages. Okay, what are the sources are available for page or list data pages? Okay, what are the sources are available for page or see 8.3, 8.3 and below versions. Okay, sources are different and sources are different. If you are when you are going to select the page data page at that time, you cannot see the report definition. You cannot see the different report definition. 8.3 and below versions, if you select the page database, you cannot see the report definition. Similar way, if you select the list database, what are the sources are available means you cannot see the lookup. Remaining all the sources are available. Whatever sources you are able to see right here, okay, here now you can see the all the sources are available. All the sources. All the sources, different sources are available. Okay, sir, even okay, if you select the report definition, if you select the report definition, list data, list source, list one, at that time you cannot see the lookup option. If you select the lookup, and if you select the page one, you cannot see the report definition. Now if you select the page or page list, you can see the all the options. Okay, but in interview point of view, you can call the connector. If I select the page data page, you can call the connect soap or connect rest or else some different integrations. Sir, now if you select the data transform here, you can call the data transform here. You can call the data transform. Okay, here you can in case if you want to call the data transform in your data page as a source, then you can select the page or else page list, and then source you can select data transform. In case if you want to call the report definition, you can call the report definition. Select the source, and then you can call the report definition. And here lookup means you can specify the class name. You can specify the class name. And activity, here you can specify the activity name. As a source, you want to call activity. You want to call activity in a data pages. At the term, you can select the activity and activity name. And again, here when you are connecting with some different system, robotic applications, Pega robotic applications, at that time what we will do, we will select robotic automation or else robotic desktop automation. Okay, desktop automation. And if we select, see for example, aggregate, name itself it is showing aggregate. There are different sources. I want to aggregate those two results. Sir, now I'm getting a, for example, when I'm giving a customer id, the customer id related customer details I'm getting from some different source. That customer id related products also now I'm getting. Okay, I want to aggregate okay, these two results into single page list, single list. Under my data pages, under px results, I want to aggregate these two sources results. At that time, what we will do, we will select the aggregated sources. Okay, these are the different sources are available. Okay, for page and page list, both are same. Okay, list, page or list data pages, both are same. Now you can say connector. In case if you want to call the connect, so for connectorized as a source, you will select the connector. And data transform. Okay, what are the sources are available means you can say report definition. Okay, lookup. Okay, lookup. Next one is okay, activity. Okay, aggregate. Aggregate source. Aggregate source. Sir, these are the options are available. Okay, aggregate source. And okay, these things I'm not going to write. Okay, in case if you want to tell, you can tell in interview point of view. Okay, robotic automation. And generally we will not use these two options. That's why I'm not writing. Okay, these things I will explain practically. Okay, all options. Okay, sir, next one is okay, next one is what are the see what class you are creating your database. Okay, we will specify what when you are creating a database at that time we will give the apply to, right? That class name it will take. Mode. What are the different types of modes are available? Okay, what are the different types of modes are available? Types of modes. Okay, what are the different types of modes are available? One is the by default read only. Second one is the editable. Next one is the savable. Savable. So read only. See, you will refer how we will refer database. Okay, now you want to refer your database results in a UI. How we will refer your database results now you want to show in a UI. How we will refer.
Under property, we can set the D
How we will
page.
how in a property how we will refer.
Mm,
How
in
we
the
will
pro
refer. How we will refer database results. Simple. Okay, now I want to
page name,
refer. Mm,
page name dot property, database name dot property. If I refer from the property label.
are you going to refer like that?
No, no,
Whether you referred
I'm
anywhere.
not. Yeah, it's not. It's not a.
But you cannot say like that, right? In case, okay,
Yes.
now I am an interviewer. If I ask like that, are you going to say?
No.
Mm. Now, we will refer. Come on, how we will refer? Sir, by using table layout, right, bro? You can ignore. By using table layout, right? Hello?
If a list type of structure, then we can
No,
refer
no,
from
no.
the.
That's why he even pays our pays. Okay, we will refer. In a table layout, we will refer, right? Okay, your data
Yes.
page is right. I didn't say like list or page.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, your database results how we can refer. Okay, table layout. Sir, now table layout read only. Name itself it is telling read only. Sir, now whether you are giving the option to modify your table data, whether you are giving the option, okay, to modify the table data to the users, whatever data
No.
you are displaying in UI. Okay, sir, but sometimes we give the option, right? Sometimes we give the option, right? In the table layout, if you select the operations editable, okay, editable at that time, or else click row to edit, or master details, at that time they are able to edit the data. Agree? So if you select page list, okay, fine. Report definition is fine. Okay, what about data pages? Sir, in case if you select as a source in a table layout as a source, now you want to give the option to edit your data, okay, data report definition, okay, results. Okay, read only means we cannot edit the data. And okay, if you don't want to give any option to the user to modify your data pages results from UI, at that time you will select the read only. Okay, by default, read only. Okay, this one is no issues. Sir, what about editable? Editable. For example, when you are displaying a results in a UI, by using these data pages, when you are displaying the results in a UI, you want to give the option to the user to modify the data. You want to give the option to the user to modify the data. See, now for example, okay, data pages, by using data pages, now we are displaying the list of products. Whatever product customers want, you want to select from UI. At that time, now you can think, as a source you call the data pages. At that time you need to modify the data, right? Modify means you need to select products. Yes or no? You need to select the products. Means okay, you need to give the option, right, to select the product. Come on, tell me. At that time, what we will do is we will give like a editable options, and at that time, what we will do, we will open the data pages when okay, as a source. If you call the data pages in our table layouts, okay, at that time you want to give the option to edit in general. At that time, what we will do is open the data page, whatever source you called, right? Whatever source you called, okay, change the option from mode to editable. Okay, editable. And savable means, okay, whenever you want to implement, like for example, whatever data they are entering in a, okay, in a UI, the data now you want to save or else insert, at that time we will select the mode to savable. Okay, sorry, now, okay, read only means okay, whatever data we are displaying in UI, if you don't want to give any option to users to modify the data, at that time we will select the read only. Okay, if we don't want to give the option to modify the data pages related data from UI, then we will select mode to read only. Sir, this is the default option. Sir, when we will select editable, okay, if you want to give the option to modify the data pages related data from UI, then we will select editable.
So
And
modify means we can change the data from UI.
yes,
So
yes.
it will be stored in the table when I change
How
those.
how it will store? It will not store. Again, you need to write a logic.
Okay, okay.
You are giving a option. Simply, you are giving the option to modify the data. Okay, whatever data you are modifying, it will be available. See, now you are, see, for example, name
Mm-hmm.
Arjun. Name Arjun. Okay, now he updated to Arjun Reddy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now this modified data will be available in a clipboard. Okay, after that we will write a logic to save this data into the table in case if you want to save.
Okay, okay.
Okay, this is the one option. Or
Um,
else, yes,
but it will save in the PC work table, right? With Arjun Reddy only
no, it will not save.
after changing.
Data type in
No,
the
it will not save.
Okay.
It will not save anywhere.
now if you write any logic, then it will be saved, right?
Then it will save. For example, see, many times you people will face the issues, this type of things. For example, you are displaying, okay, especially in these scenarios, okay, especially generally we will not give any option to edit the data. What
Mhm.
we will do is sometimes, okay, sometimes, okay, whatever I worked previous projects also, we gave like editable, whatever data pages, right? Data pages related data, we will give the option to edit the list of products, that company related products, they will modify. After that, we will add one button in the top of the table layout. If they click on that update button, automatically it will, we will write a logic. Okay, again,
Okay.
you need to write. Okay, that is one of the assignment I will give to you, okay, when I'm going to start the looping concepts. Okay, next
Okay.
one is, for example, not only that scenario. Okay, now you are displaying some list of orders or list of dependents. Okay, even whatever we discussed as a source, now you called your database. Okay, now you called get dependents. Sir, sometimes it will not work as expected. Okay, now as a source, now we call this database. Here now I selected like a py selected, not like a data modification. Now you give like a py selected check boxes. We are giving a check boxes. At that time, sometimes it will not work also. Okay, what we will do based upon the selection, whatever we selected, the selected items need to copy into some different property from this database. From this database from this database. At that time, sir, we will write a condition py selected equal to true, then we will copy the data. Sometimes it will not set py true, py selected is a true value, because this one is the read only. At that time, your lead or someone will suggest, okay, open the database. If it is not working, open the database, change the mode to editable. Okay, sir, now you are modifying, right? Selecting means you are modifying that table data. You are modifying the table data. Okay, at that time, what we will do, we will give the editable option. Okay, savable means, okay, if you want to save the data into the table. Okay, if you want to save the data into the table. Okay, if you want to insert or update the data into database table, then we will select move to savable. Then we will select the mode to savable. Okay, next one is, okay, what are the different types of scopes are available? Okay, what are the different types of scopes are available? Okay, this one also common important question they will ask you. Okay, types of scopes. Sir, okay, this is also one of the important point they will ask you. What are the different scopes are available and what is the different when we will create a requester, when we will create a node, and when we will create a thread, like that people will ask you. Okay, what are the different scopes are available in the database? What are the different scopes are available in the database? Even Java point of view, Spring, Hibernate, Struct, some different okay, frameworks, right? There also you can see the application scopes. Some different scopes are available. Session, requester, node. Sir, what is the use of this one? Okay, when we can create a thread level database, when we can create a requester level database, when we can create a node level databases. Okay, and what is the difference between thread, requester, and node? Thread and requester. In your project, what type of scenarios you created the node level databases? What type of scenarios you created the requester level database? What type of scenarios you created the okay, requester level database? Okay, before going to explain about those things, simple. Okay, now you can see here on Barclays application. Sir, in this Barclays application contains some list of products. Sir, now this list of products is common to all users or different? Come on, tell me. Sir, in Barclays application, they have some list of products. These list of product details common to all the users or different to each user?
Common to all users.
Common to all users. We can say that list of products means home loan, car loan, credit card, internet banking. For example, home loan, current home loan, whatever okay these people are following. Okay, those details are common to all the users. All the users. Okay, common to all the users and means okay, now you can think that now you can think okay, this is your okay, list of common to all the users. List of products is common to all the users. Okay, so now we can see each product data also. You can see each product data also common to all the users, right? All the users. So now we can see here this data like that. Okay, like you can see this one. Okay, now say means application data we can say. Agree? This one we can say like application data, right? Everyone, application data. Sir, now see here, whatever data is available, whatever data is available, okay, whatever data is available in our application, the data is common to all the users across the whatever application, whoever is pointing to that application, everyone, okay, everyone can access the data, can access the data. Okay, this is the one thing. Okay, even not only this one. For example, now you can think especially drop downs point of view. Okay, now when you are displaying some list of countries, list of countries, whether it will change list of country values. Come on. So now I'm displaying the list of products under drop down. Whether my products will change. Come on. My product, whether my product will change. No.
No.
No. No, it will not change. Okay, is it
Yes.
required to hit the DB every time?
No.
Okay,
No.
is it required to load your database every time? Simple question like that. You can think, is it required to load your database? Okay, when you are creating the database at that time, just you need to think like that. Is it required to reload this database to every user, every user session,
No.
every user session or not? You can think like that. After that, you can decide based upon the okay, load and okay, based upon the database load. We will select the okay type one. We will select the type of the scope. You can say like that. Okay. So now here next one same like Barclays. Okay, Barclays application. So now I am a user. Okay, I am one of the user. Okay, means I am one of the user or else employee. Okay, now employee. So now user information. Now we can think that user information or employee information. Employee information. So now user information or employee information, now we can think that it is specific to specific user, right? Come on, specific user or not? When I'm going to logging into my Barclays account, at that time I can see only my information or not? Come on,
Yes.
sir. When I'm logging into the Barclays application, okay, as an employee, I can see my information, right? No, think like that. Okay, specific user information. You can say that specific user information. Here also, you can think that any drop down values, if it is not changing, any application related data, again here also. For example, bro, okay, in our application, okay, think like that. Reference data, your reference data, whether your reference data will change, keep on whether it will change. Think whether your reference data will change, your application reference data, common data, whatever you are configuring in your table, whether it will change.
No.
No, it will not change. Again, endpoint URLs, your endpoint URL, when you are connecting with some different system, those endpoint URLs we will configure in our tables. From tables, we will get the data. Whether it will change your endpoint URLs every day, every work object, whether it will change, every user, whether it will change. Hello? Come on.
No, it will not
No,
change.
no, it will not change. It will not change. Okay, again same thing here also. Sir, user information. Okay, user information. Now user information is a different to specific user. Okay, not only that one. Sir, user information means you can think and see whatever accounts added into my account, my user profile. For example, when I'm going to logging into my account, you can think that your Amazon account, when you are logging into your user account, whatever orders you ordered previously, all the list of orders it will display. Whether it will change, come on, whether it will change your list of orders. Okay, come on, whether it will change. Even whatever accounts I'm created, it will not change, and so it will not change. Okay, now we can think that same like even user point of view. Okay, for example, in my operator profile, in my operator profile, under work tab, I can add multiple skills. Now I asked you to get the list of skills. Whether my skills will change every day, every 1 hour, every 10 minutes. When
No.
I'm creating a multiple work objects, whether it will change my skills every time. No. Sir, whether it will change whatever work baskets I added in my work, in my profile, whether it will change every time. Come on.
No. No.
No. Now I created one database to get my list of okay, work objects. Sorry, not work objects. List of work baskets added in my profile. Now I created one okay, database to get the list of skills added in my profile. So now I created one database to get my user information. Whether I will change, keep on my user details. Now Arjun, after some time Arjun Babu, after some time Arjun P, Arjun yes, like that. Keep on whether I will update my data. No, right?
No.
No. Okay, now see like that. You can think. Okay, now you can see here. Next one is Barclays. So in Barclays, okay, I will do some different transactions. Okay, sir, Barclays, once I log in, sir, user login. Okay, your application data. Sir, once user logging into the application, after login, after user login, after user login, what he will do? He will do some different transactions, right? Come on, he will do some different transactions or not? Sir, now I want to pay some my utility bill. Pay utility bill. Sir, pay utility bill. Sir, this is one transaction, right? Hello? Sir, this is another one. Next one, pay credit card bill. Next one, transfer amount. Every time it will create one transaction ID, and then immediately it will update my total amount. Agree? Come on. Each transaction you need to get the updated details or not to get your balance amount.
Yes.
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 Okay,
Yes.
to get your balance amount, okay, automatically you need to get the updated details. Sir, now if I am doing this utility bill transaction, okay, at that time you will get utility related bills related details. Now when I'm paying a credit card, when I'm going to enter my credit card number and the details, I want to get my due amount. Here this is a some different okay, different action. This is the different action, this is the different action user is performing. Sir, within this session, within this user session, you can do different actions, right bro? Come on, different actions. Agree?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
See, you can think like that. User logging into the application, he is having a credit card access to process credit card request. He is having access to process home loan access. Okay, he is having some now here debit card access. Sir, now he is having a different access, sir. He can do this action, he can do this action, he can do this action. Sir, when you are using this action, he will get some different details, different data he will fill. Okay, this is entire, sir, this user session, what are the actions he can perform? These are the actions he can perform. When he is going to perform this action, okay, whether now we can think that whatever data is available here, is it possible to access the data here? Is it possible to access the data to here?
No.
No.
Is it possible to access this home loan data to credit debit card? No. But these three okay, case types related data user information is same only, right, bro? Come on, user information is same or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Next one, these three case types related application data also same or not? Come on, application data also same or not?
Yes.
Think like that.
Yes, yes.
Okay, same way, and see, simple, and this one is application. Okay, simple. Okay, this is the application data, this is the user data, this is the thread data, like that you can think. Sir, now easily you can understand. Now if someone is going to ask you, you can tell, sir, when we will create a node level database, and when it will load that node level database, when we will create a requested level database, when it will load the requested level database, when we will create a thread level database, when it will load the thread level database. We'll discuss now. First one, sir, node level database is nothing but node level the database is nothing but application level database. Node level database is nothing but application level database. Okay, whatever data is available, okay, whatever data is available in a node level database. Sir, whatever data is available in node level database, all the users can access. All the user, whatever node level data, whatever data is available in the node level data pages, all the users can access. Can access. Whoever is pointing to that particular node. Okay, whoever is pointing to that particular node, who all the users can access. Okay, all the users can access. This is the one thing. Sir, when it will create this node level data pages, or else when it will load node level data pages, when it will load the node level data pages, node level data pages and will load at the time of starting the servers. At the time of starting the servers. Okay, node level data pages will load at the time of starting the servers. Okay, in this scenario, when you will create a node level, in this scenario, what scenario will create a node level database? Scenario 1, scenario 2, scenario 3.
First one is node level.
First one is a node level database. Sir, in general, okay, you can say that your application related common data you want to access through the application user, we will create, and your reference data, any reference table related data also, we will create a node level data pages. Okay, node level data pages, or else any drop down values, that drop down values are always constant. Okay, at that time also we will create a node level data pages. And your endpoint URLs, okay, we will configure in our tables, in our application tables. Not only application tables, from okay, DSS also we can access. At that time, it's not required to load again and again same type of data. Every user is not required to load. Okay, at that time, what we will do, we will create a node level data pages. You can say in interview point of view, sir, in my application we have some list of products are available, or else application some data okay, my reference data is available. We have some staging tables. The staging tables contains the data. The data we want to show in a UI. For that purpose, this data is common to all the users. Okay, we created node level data pages, or else okay, we are configuring our endpoint URLs. Okay, endpoint URLs in my table level. Okay, table level. At that time also we created node level data pages. Or else, cursor we drop down values, radio button values, or any autocomplete values we configured in my reference tables. Okay, when you are getting a data, okay, when you are okay referring those data, okay, data under this property controls, at that time also we created the node level data pages. Like that you can say when it will load, means you can say that sir, at the time of starting the application servers. And okay sir, sometimes even in our projects, okay, when you are doing any DB operations, your support team will ask you, okay, when you are doing deployment time, okay, when they are doing a deployment time, when they are doing a deployment time, they will ask you some of the points. Okay, is there any DB changes are available or not? Is there any DB changes are available or not? Okay, do you want to flush any data pages? Like that your support team will ask when they are doing a production deployment. Sometimes your lead also in a testing environment also, people will ask you, hey, I'm not getting this updated data. Like that our QA team or else business also will ask us. Whatever we configure new data, sometimes it will not reflect immediately. What you will do, okay, you will open the database and then you will flush the database, right? We have options. Okay, in the load management I will explain, okay, we will do or not. Come on, your release management team also will ask, right? Your production support team also will ask or not. If is there any DB changes, especially they will ask, do you want to flush any data pages after completion of the deployment? Like that. Why they will do? To get the updated data. At that time, sometimes we will create a requested level data page or node level data pages. Okay, at that time maybe we will get the issues, data issues. Especially they will ask us for this purpose only. Okay, next one. Sir, now requested level database. Some more differences are there. Okay, we'll discuss. Okay, next one. Okay, I will tell you. Okay. Sir, now okay, observe here. Now I'm going to select the editable. Okay. Okay. Editable. Now I selected. Okay, question. Is it possible to edit the node level data pages? Ah, come on.
No.
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 No, we cannot. By by.
Because of data,
Data
to avoid
mismatches.
data.
Okay,
Uh,
sir, it is node level data pages related data shareable to all the users, right? On all the users, it will give the data mismatch or not? Come on,
Yes.
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 it will give the data mismatch, right? Node level data pages because okay, sir, if we are giving a no, we don't have any option. Okay, you can say that if we are giving a option, then it will mismatch the data, mismatch the common data. Okay. Okay, next one. What type of data page we will specify the access group?
Node level.
Sir, what type of data pages we will specify the access group? Now see here. Okay, now when I'm going to select the requester, here you can see nothing. Here you can see request or nothing. Okay, here when I'm going to select the node, you can see the node. Okay, load authorization. You can see the load authorization. Here you can see the, even they will ask you, what do you mean by load authorization? Like that also people will ask you. Load authorization. Okay, access group. Okay, for node level data pages. What is the use of? Tell me.
So what time the access group will specify database, right? Question, second question.
What
It's
time?
what type.
What type? Sorry. What type?
Type.
Sorry. What type of database? What is the use of access group in a database? In a node level database. Come on. What is the use of node level databases? What is the use of access group? Ah,
Sir, like multiple, like as in node level databases, multiple access, like multiple operators come into picture. So because of that one, multiple like different rule sets also come into picture. So to differentiate that one, we give access group.
some proper explanation. Whatever you are telling is correct. Some proper explanation.
There are different nodes in the server, so belonging to that particular access group, those operators can access those node level data pages.
Simple and sir, when it will load your node level data pages?
Arjun, one question. Arjun, sorry.
Yes. Yes.
For second question, what type of database will
Last
specify the access group, right?
access group. Yeah,
So we
last
will
one access
specify
group.
the access group. So we
Last
will
last is
specify
access
the
group.
Last
we will
is the
specify
access
that.
group. Yes.
Sorry,
Instead of data pages, access group.
access group. Sir, what
Okay,
type of okay?
thank you.
Come on, sir. Why we will specify is now you can think, bro. Okay, now I called get customer details. Okay, get customer details in a database. I called get customer details. Okay, data transform or activity or report definition in a database, node level database. Whenever node level databases will execute at the time of starting the server, at the time of starting the server. Sir, same data transform is available in a different application, multiple classes, multiple rule set versions. How Pega knows? Okay, this is the data transform need to call from this application, from this class, from this rule set, from this rule set version. How Pega knows? Come on, clear?
On the access group.
Now everyone is clear, right? What is the use of access group?
Yes,
Hello?
yes.
No, Arjun, can you
Responsible.
please?
No, Arjun, no. Clear. Can you please repeat?
Okay. Sorry, okay, you can see here. Access group is responsible to call the rules in Pega application while loading node level data pages. Simple, bro. Sir, now see here, your access group is pointing to what? Application. Application is pointing to what? Rule sets. Rule sets contains a list of rules. List of rules. A list of rules, like a list of rules. Okay. Sir, now simple. Same data transform is available in different applications. From which application it will call? From which application it will call the your rule, your source rule. How Pega knows? Hello? When it is loading your application, at the time how Pega knows? Come on. Okay, now node multiple applications are running. How Pega knows? Array, this is the data transform or this is the activity need call from this X application or Y application. How Pega knows?
Based
Based
on
on
access group
access
of the
group,
user.
not user. Okay, are you specifying access group user, bro? Now you are whether you are logging, no, right? See, you are specifying, especially you are specifying access group means user will not log in, right? Hello? Clear, bro. See why? Okay, when it will load this node level data pages, application loading, application server. At that time, whatever source you are calling in a node level database, how Pega knows? Okay, this is the rule need to call from this application or this class or this rule set or from this version. Okay, based upon this access group. Okay, na?
Arjun sir, one question. Then, while creating the this database, node level database, which access group will put in the access group
Our
field?
administrator access group. Our administrator access group. We will specify. Okay, na? Our administrator access group we will specify. Whatever application you created, that application related access group we will specify.
Okay, that means when runtime, how it will know that that means suppose there is two application. One application refer this database, another application also refer this database, and source will be something suppose data transform. So at the runtime, how will it will identify
Common
this?
database, common access group we will create. In that common access group itself, we will specify the all the details.
Oh, okay.
See how I'm able to access. Now see, now specific user, right? User, I have access, access group, right? When I'm logging to the application based upon my access group, it is calling. Same like that, if you have a multiple applications, in the multiple applications you are referring, we will create
Mhm.
one common access group.
Okay, okay. Based on this, then we will call this.
For that purpose, no, I told car application related data. Now you are talking about different applications. Specific application related data, right?
Mhm.
Okay, this is the one thing. And okay, next one is okay, load authorization also. People will ask you suddenly, what do you mean by load authorization like that? Also, people will ask you. Load authorization also nothing but like access group. Sir, now we will space based upon the access group. It will load the your node level database source, node level database source like that you can say. Okay. Sir, next one is okay here. Okay. Now come. Okay, sorry here. Okay, here one question. I forgot. Where we can see where we can see the editable data pages related data in a clipboard. Sir, where we can see editable data pages related data in a clipboard in a clipboard. Okay, in a clipboard under user
User
pages.
pages.
User pages we can see the okay fine. Okay, next one is the requester. Requester level database is a hmm, nothing but operator level database like that I will call. Everyone is fine.
Yes.
Our operator level database means user level database like that also we can call, right? Hmm. Sir, now tell me again, whatever data is available in a requester level database. Okay, requester level database. Come on. Session, I can say, right, bro? See, when I'm going to logging into my application, my data associated with me, I can, whatever I'm going to open, see, whatever I'm going to open means now we can see here. my user information, I can access whatever actions I'm going to perform in this application. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay, here you can see. Okay, whatever data is available in a requested level database, level data pages. Okay, within the session, whatever threads he is going to open and whatever work objects he is going to open, all the work objects it will access. And clear, whatever data is available in a requested level database, okay, all the threads can access. Agree, everyone?
Yes.
Threads means I can say, right, work objects, mostly work objects only, right, bros? Come on, I can say work
Yes.
objects. Okay, all the threads can access. Okay, when it will load this your requested level database, sir, within the session. And again, once he logged off, whether once he log off, okay, whether you can access this requested level data? No. Okay, so now here, when it will load this requested level database, think and tell me when it will load your requested level database.
When the operator
When
logs in.
user that request to login.
Will load at the time of logging into Pega application. Okay, so now here, common question: what type of what access group? What access group? Okay, will consider at the time of loading
Operator
requested
access.
request or thread. Okay, what, bro? Come on.
Operator access.
Operators access.
Operator related access group will consider. Okay, operator related access group. Okay, fine. Operator related access group. Again, why you want to write the same thing? Okay, fine. Sir, in this, sir, what type of scenarios you created? Means, sir, specific user related information, operator related information, or else operator profile. You can see the whatever details we are specifying. Okay, sir, list of skills, list of work baskets associated with that particular user. Okay, particular user. That type of scenarios we will create a requested level database. In this scenario, okay, second one, we will create a requested level database, right? Come on. Sir, simply whoever is reporting to me, now I want to get the list of employee details. At that time, what type of database you will create? Hmm. Whoever is reporting to me, okay, now I want to get the list of employee details. At that time, what is the type of the database you will create?
Requester.
Requester.
Requested level database. Okay, we will create requested level database. Okay, now go to the top. Again, thread database. Thread level hmm, database is a nothing but, come on, everyone knows by default when you are creating a database, by default is thread only, right? Thread only. Sir, nothing but work object level, like that I'm saying. Is it fine, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, work object or flow level. Agree? Sir, okay, in our work object level or else flow level data pages. Sir, now can now see, for example, now once I verified the customer, Okay, when I'm processing the when I'm processing a case, at that time first I will verify whether he is a valid customer or not. Now I got the details. Now we can think that now I got the details. Sir, whether throughout that session, throughout that thread, means throughout that work object, whether this data pages related data will change, that policy related information, whether it will change. Whatever customer I'm going to search, if I'm going to search with Akash, or else if I'm going to search with Aditya, if I'm going to search with Abhilasha, okay, now I want to process Abhilasha request. At the time, throughout that request, whether Abhilasha details will change. No, right? I can use that thread level information throughout that work object. Agree? Chapala.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are different, okay, within that flow, and again within the flow. Again, one more thing, within that flow, okay, within that flow also. Okay, sir, there are two flows are available. Two flows are available. Now you are calling some different database. Okay, flow one database, flow two one database to get the data. With throughout that flow, your database results is same. Throughout next flow, your database results are same. That depends on whatever parameters you are passing, or else whatever data, okay, it is loading that thread level database, we can access within that particular thread. And when it will load, when it will load, come on, when it will load the work
After
object level data
submitting.
after submitting, come on,
When work object is submitted.
When we open the work object.
depends, right, bro, when you are opening the work object, okay, or else wherever you are referring, right, come on, hello, wherever you are referring, right, bro, it's not like a loading only. See, wherever you are referring the database, at that time it will load. Yes or no? For example, when I'm going to click on button, at that time I called my database. At that time, when it will load your database, okay, your thread level database, and click on that button only. Agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Agree.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
okay, second requirement, bro. Okay, my database I called preloading of my flow action, preloading of my screen or post loading of screen. Sir, wherever you are referring, thread level database, okay, it will okay, it will load. And okay, agree everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, wherever we are referring, wherever we are referring, okay, thread level database, okay, referring within the thread, it will load thread level database. Sir, okay, sir, wherever you can, whatever throughout whatever data is available, sir, whatever data is available in the thread level database, sir, whatever data is available, whatever data is available in a thread level database, throughout that work object we can access, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Throughout
Throughout work object.
Yeah.
we can access. Okay, fine. Sir, now say commonly we will create a thread level databases only. So these are the different scopes are available in a database. Okay, next one. Sir, now next one they will ask you what is the use of simulate data source. Okay, what is the use of simulate data source? Okay, now okay, what is the use of simulate data source? Tomorrow we'll discuss practically. Okay, what is the use of now whatever question, whatever I'm going to discuss, okay, whatever I'm discussing today, tomorrow, or else day after tomorrow, okay, I will cover end to end about data pages. No one will ask more than that. Prepare today itself. Prepare today itself about data pages. By heart, one or two times. Tomorrow, practically, I will explain. Practically, I will explain. If I didn't complete tomorrow, again, I will continue next day also. Okay, now, whatever questions they will ask about databases, clean way you can explain to them. Same like report definition. I will cover next 4 sessions. Within the 4 sessions, I will cover end to end. I will explain about report definition. Prepare, practice within those 4 sessions itself. Today itself, we can prepare theoretically. Tomorrow, practically. For tomorrow itself, we can complete the practical and theoretical thing. You will get automatically. You will get some confidence. Okay, sir. What is the use of simulate data source checkbox in a database, sir? While seeing itself, you know, while simulate data, some test data, we can say like that. Agree? Hello, test data. Agree or not, everyone? Sir, okay, fine. If you don't, I will tell you. Sir, what is the use of simulate data source checkbox, sir? When we will check the checkbox? Okay, simple, bro. Simple scenario. Okay, now I'm processing your case. Okay, they not like a production environment. Production environment, we will not check the checkbox. Remember, production environment. Okay, production environment. Okay, we will not check the checkbox. Okay, na production environment, we will not check the checkbox. Only on our testing environments only. Okay, we will check the checkbox, and that one also. When we will do is, for example, sir, now I want to process your request, your claim request. First of all, I will verify whether you are a valid customer or not, or valid policy holder or not. First, I'm going to verify. Okay, test environment. QA team, okay, when they are okay clicking on a search policy, they are not getting the details because of some application issue, external application issue. Okay, we identified there is no issue from Pega end. Immediately we identified, okay, this one is a external application issue. We connected as a developer, we connected with them. Okay, okay, we are not getting any policy details. Could you please check from your end? Again, they will also tell that, okay, there is some okay application issue from our end. It will take a time. It will take okay 10 okay 5 hours or else one day. Application server is still down. Okay, it will take 4 hours to resolve the issue, or else one day, or else 1 hour or 2 hours. Immediately QA team, what they will tell, okay, it is blocking our testing. Yes or no? Come on, they will tell, right? Come on, okay, they will ask us, oh, okay, it is blocking our testing. Okay, we will not continue like that. Again, not only say this one. Okay, as a source, we will call external sources. This is the one example we will do. At that time, now again, sorry, in the data page itself, as a source, I called my report definition to get the data. Report definition to get the data from some external table, or else I created some activity to get the data from table. Your table itself, okay, now as of now there is some issue from your table. Again, they are not able to process the data. At that time, what we will do, we will check this one, and we will check this checkbox, and then we will set the some dummy data for testing purpose, sir. Instead of okay holding them, then what we will do, now we will see whatever request we are giving, policy ID 1234, always you will get urgent details. If you are giving 123, okay, 567, always you will get urgent details. Then they can proceed for further testing. Okay, na? Even when you are okay, any application as a source, whatever source you are calling, okay, that source it is not giving a results. Because of this one, you are not continuing with your testing, or else your, or else some different purpose also. Okay, you are not able to continue with your process or your work object for testing purpose. What we will do, we will check the checkbox. Simply you can say that, okay, when we will check the checkbox means, okay, we will when you are connecting with some different system to get the data, to get that data as a source, we will call okay connectors, soap or rest. Okay, you want to simulate the data, you want to set some dummy data. For that purpose, we will check means what it will do, it will disable this source. Whatever source you are calling, right, it will disable, disable your source. And then you can create one data transform, create activity, or else create a report definition, and then you can set the dummy data. Everyone is okay? Hello? Fine. Sir, what is the use of simulate data source?
We will use in production only, right? This.
No, 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 we cannot use the production. We will use in the lower environments.
Okay.
Okay, na? We will use in the lower environments. Like we will not see if you are doing like that. It's not real time data, right, bro? Okay.
And when we will make a use of that checkbox, simulate data source.
Now only you told. Whenever the other servers, third-party servers are not working, maybe down, we'll use the similar data
Yes.
source.
Like test environment. Okay.
Test environment. Yes. Yes. Sir, what is the
Like,
kinetic?
uh, okay,
Yes.
Arjun, can we say this too? Like, for example, if we are requesting data, okay, from the third party for, and that data is not ready, okay, then we are using this simulate data source. So in that time, we can, like create our own test cases or data, and we
Exactly.
can test it to the particular.
Yes, yes, bro. That one also fine. All are similar only,
Okay.
right? See, your
Yes.
application,
Okay.
external application. See, you have done the coding, bro. End to end you completed. Okay, na? End to end you completed. Now,
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
your third party system is not ready. Okay, for testing purpose, what we will do? We will set some dummy data. We will disable that one. Okay, na? Okay, we will set, even she is telling, okay, we will set some dummy response for time being to process the request. We can say like that. Okay, when you are connecting with some different systems, when we are connecting with okay, different systems, okay, different connecting with external applications or databases, okay, through SOAP or REST due to internal issues. Side, okay, database due to internal issues from external application or database table side, then we will set dummy response data for testing purpose. Testing purpose to process the case in Pega application. Okay, to set the dummy data. How we will set this dummy data? How we will set this dummy data? Okay, again, they will ask you, what are the ways we can set the dummy data? R report definition. Okay, na? Okay. Next one is, here you can see the post-loading processing. What is the use of post-loading processing? Okay, what is the use of post-loading processing in a database? Come on, tell me, anyone?
Sir, like after loading the data page, on top of it, if we want to do something, like if we want to validate or do something for that purpose, basically we
Super,
use
that's it.
those.
So after completion of your database load, it will give some results. Those results you want to validate for exception simple abba. Okay, how to handle it? Okay, so what is the use of not? They will not ask you like that. How to, sir? how to handle the exceptions in a database. Like that, people will ask you some different ways we can handle the exceptions, bro. When we are connecting with some different system, at the time we will call a request data transform and respond. That process is different. Okay, na? That process is different. Okay, sir, your database results, based upon your database results, you want to handle some exceptions. At that time, what we will do, we will create a activity. In that activity, your database results basis, we will show the error messages. I will show you practically tomorrow. I will show you also. Okay, don't worry. Okay, whatever. Okay, uh, possible things. Okay, I will show you tomorrow. Okay, then you will get to know. Sir, how to handle the exceptions in a database? Okay, people will ask you one day. Sir, after completion of the your database execution, it will give some results. Based upon those results, if you want to do the validations or exception handling, at that time we will create one activity. Okay, in that activity we will call under post loading processing. Okay, na? Everyone is clear? Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Sir, to handle exceptions, okay, after completion of the database, database, okay, execution, it will give the results. Okay, if you want to validate or handle the exceptions, then we will create activity. Okay, we will create activity and call that activity, in a database under post loading processing. Tomorrow we'll discuss practically. Okay, these things, okay, we will discuss practically tomorrow. Okay, next one. Now go here, load management. Okay, people will ask you one day, indirectly they will ask you, what do you mean by load authorization? Like that, people will ask you, what do you mean by load authorization? Authorization, whether you are eligible, whether you are authorized to use those rules or not. Authorization, like that I told, right? Okay, authorization means whether you can use those rules or not at the runtime. On what basis it will decide? Based upon the access group. Okay, na? Please, okay, remember this one. Sir, now we will discuss about load management. Okay, sir, what are the options are available? Now come down. Sir, how to flush the database? How to flush the database results? Okay, how to flush the database results in Pega? Okay. Okay, don't feel bad, and okay, whatever I'm going to post in our group, okay, for your, okay, betterment purpose only I'm posting like that. Okay, but for your betterment purpose only I'm posting like that. Now you can genuinely see, because of someone I don't want to stop anything. See, you can think that, is it required to join these many people in the group? Think, bro. Hello everyone in our WhatsApp group.
No.
What is the point, bro? See, you
No.
can see, you can check, bro. Anyway, even what telegrams or else some WhatsApp group, people will give 500,000 rupees. People will give, just you can post Arjun videos like that. Some people are ready to sell the videos. Not only me, my videos, many other people videos also. Cheap. Okay, they will give like a some cheap mentality people. What they will do, they will, okay, I'm going to sell you 1,000 rupees. Okay, 500 rupees, 2,000 rupees. Whoever ready, please ping me separately. Who is doing hard work, 2 hours 3 hours. No need to join in our WhatsApp group also. If you don't have even this is one of the point I told highlighted beginning. It's if you don't have time, don't join my classes. This is my request from my end. Day one itself, demo time, whatever I told, same thing I'm following with the commitment. Don't join my classes. Don't join my classes like that. I told also. See, when you are adding, see, 2 days back also, okay, one of the girl, she asked me, Arjun, she is working in one of the good company, product-based company. Okay, in LinkedIn, she asked me, Arjun, attending interviews, I'm not able to clear. She is having a very good hands-on experience. She is working also. I'm not able to clear my exam, my interviews. Okay, I want some help from you. Okay, is it fine to join our classes? Big messages. Okay, fine, you can join. I send a WhatsApp number and okay, link and all. Next day whether you joined immediately, she is telling that no, I don't have time to join the classes. See bro, is it fine? I don't have time to join the classes. I can remove also. Whoever is not joining, even I will collect all the details. Whoever is joining, I will create one more group and then I will, okay, okay, whoever is joining, only those people only will send. Even, see, one of the thing I'm not doing. One of the thing I'm not doing, I told in LinkedIn, I posted one of the point like, sir, if you're not, okay, if you're not joining classes regularly, if you're not committed, then I will remove. Okay, I will remove from the group, but I'm not doing. Again, it will give like a bad name. Like people will think some negative way. Again, some of the people see this one. You can think just you can compare anyone, whether in a live, whether they will write like that. Any trainer, I'm telling any trainer, whether they will write like that live.
No, sir.
No, no.
Yeah, I think you all people are experienced people, right? You people are experienced people and okay, working employees, and you people observed or else went through some different trainer recorded files. So live, even I'm giving option to you, is it fine or not? Okay, tell me. This one also is not, okay, but I can say that this is not a proper English, but every can understand, every can by heart this one easily. They can tell okay, why I am writing like that means easily people can, okay, remember this one. Our normally how we will speak, right? When you are talking with our friend, we will not speak right proper English. Normal way how we will speak. Like that, I am writing in a notepad. Even zero experience person also can understand. He don't have zero IT experience also. I proved one of the person. He gave the mock interview. Next week he will give remaining topics. See, I'm telling this much of dedication. Okay, people are not okay. What is the point to ask me? I want to join the classes. I want to. If you're not interested, don't ask me. Once we added, immediately, even if you remove again, it will go like a bad name. Even my people also suggested me, hey, Arjun, why you are taking? Okay, but I gave the commitment. Okay, I'm telling like that. I'm telling. I gave the commitment. I will teach free. See how many people are available. Too many people are available. Okay, fine. Sir, now what is the okay? How we will flush the data pages? Okay, interview point of view, people will ask you how to flush the data pages results. What are the ways we can flush the data pages? Okay, what are the ways? I will write like that. what are the ways to flush the data pages results in Pega? Okay, sir, what are the ways is, okay, manual. First one is the manual, and manually from Pega application, from Dev Studio. Okay, from Dev Studio we will open the database. We will open the database. Okay, under we will open the databases. In a database, okay, I will write, okay, why you want, like, in a database, under load management tab. Okay, load management tab, we will click on clear database button. Clear database button. Okay, clear database button. Okay, button to flush the database results. Database results, from where it will flush? From clipboard. From clipboard only. See,
Clipboard.
once you
Yeah.
removed from the clipboard, automatically it will reload, right? Come on, automatically it will reload. Even if there is a thread also, it will reload. Okay, so in a database, under load management tab, okay, we will click on, clear database button to flush the databases results manually, and this is the manual way we will do. Okay, this one when we will do is, sir, when you are doing any DB updates, database updates, at that time, okay, after completion of the your deployments, or else sometimes, okay, now, if it is not updating, okay, if it is not update, if it is not getting updated results, at that time what we will do, we will open the database, and then we will flush, and okay, manually we will flush the database. Okay, this is the one thing. Sir, is there any other way to flush the database? Is second one is by using, okay, PZ flush database, Pega OOTB activity. Okay, we can flush the database results from clipboard. Sir, you can use this one. Okay, this is the Pega OOTB activity, and okay, we can use this one. We can pass the parameters. Whatever, even if it is a parameterized database, you can pass the parameters. Okay, we'll come to, okay, these things we'll discuss, and then we will wind up. Tomorrow we'll discuss practically about okay, data pages. Okay, I will show you how we will do the, okay, how we will get the single record by using database, how we will save or update the data, what are the ways we can call key access database, parameterize the database, and all we'll discuss tomorrow class. Okay, now call, and then you can specify, and here you can say the, okay, reals. Okay, now you can see, specify the database name, and then parameters. If this database is expecting some parameters, you can pass, or else simply you can specify the database name. Okay, through activity, okay, we will flush the database. Sir, through activity, why we will do, why we will flush the database? Why we will flush the database? Come on. Why we will flush the database, bro? When you are writing a logic, why we will flush the database?
To get the updated data.
To get the updated data. Sometimes, see, especially, tell me, bro, Sandeep, you told correct move, but especially when, bro? Hmm.
Whenever we are requesting, if we want to get the updated data.
That one is fine only. But when you are, especially when you are doing a looping, yes or no?
Yeah.
Especially when you are looping, each loop page related data, you want to go to the DB to fetch the data. Sometimes your data page within the thread it will execute when your activity or data transform is executing. Okay, you are looping inside the parameter values, you will pass to your database, and then it will fetch the data. Sometimes what it will do, it will repeatedly same data only, it will keep on, it
Yes,
will update. At that time what we will do, your lead or someone will tell, it always why it is giving a old results. At that time immediately we will flush the database. Okay na, why we are flushing
yes,
when you are writing a logic means this one. Okay,
yeah,
clear,
okay,
everyone? Okay,
yeah,
this purpose
yeah,
only. Okay, when you are writing a logic, please think that when especially in a looping point of view, okay, looping point of view, at that time you can use, okay, you can flush the data pages related data. Even keep on if this data page is loading. Okay, at that time, okay, this activity is loading. Okay, even if it is not getting up, it is getting updated data also. Safer side. Sometimes we will get the data issues, you can flush the database related data. And next way, one more way also there, you can use the functions, all are same only, bro. Some people will use the functions, some people will use the one more data transform is available here. Now you can expand however you want, you can use. Okay now, here you can see the all clear. Okay, all clear instances. Some people will, sir, this one, this is the database. So now here, okay, now even one more point also will cover. For example, this is the data transform. Okay na, this is the data transform. How we can pass the parameters? If your data, okay, even a recent interview also I asked, if your sub data transform is expecting a parameters, how we can pass those parameters to your data transform?
Prior
In
to that, we
Clipboard.
need to set.
We will click on this gear icon, settings icon, or else gear icon, and you can click this one, and then you can pass the parameters. Sir, this is the Pega OOTB data transform. This data transform is expecting some parameters. How we will pass it? There are two ways. Either you can specify here param dot, okay, param dot, any, not only this one, you can think like that. D underscore, okay, D underscore get customer details. Okay, we will specify. Now here what you will do is just you can check the checkbox. Sir, same name we gave, like that you can do. Or instead of that again, okay, instead of that directly you can specify here, you can remove this one, D underscore get get customer, like that also you can do. Like that also you can do. Okay, Andy, everyone? Okay, what are, see, some people, how they will do is, okay, difference, bro. Okay, depends on the person how they are going to write a logic. Some people what they will do is, they will use this function directly. Hello, all are same or not? Come on, they will use this one like that. They will pass the database name here. Hello, this one also clear? All are same or not? Come on, get customer, like that also people will do. Okay, for different ways, either you can use this is the function, and this the people will do sometimes like that, or else sometimes like that. Okay, try to, you know, that data transform now you can use by using, okay, Pega OOTB data transform. We can flush the data pages from the clipboard. Okay, sir, why we will flush the data page? Especially, come on, when you are writing a logic, looping logics at that time. Okay, so if you are not getting that loop results, it is giving us some wrong. At that time what you will do, see, inside the loop you are calling some data pages, and then you are doing something. Okay, but it is giving the wrong results, means immediately you can think that, okay, maybe data pages it is not flushing properly, like that you can think. Okay, next one, final one, after that we will wind up one. Okay, now see one, refresh strategy. Okay, refresh strategy. What about gold rate, bro? Gold rate, whether it will change every 1 hour? No.
No.
Yes, yes.
Yes, it will.
Uh,
It will change.
Oh,
for 1 week, for 1 month,
no,
sometimes.
gold rate every 1 hour it will change, or every day it will
Every
change.
1 hour.
Every
Every
day.
day.
Every minute,
Every
every
day.
minute,
Every
every second it will
Every
change.
day.
Every day, right, bro? Every day it will change, not like every 1 hour.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, what about petrol price?
Every,
Petrol
Every
price
2 months.
also every day, right? Every day. Okay. Now we can think, bro. Okay. Every day it will change. Okay. Sir, petrol price is common to everyone within the state. Again, state to state is different. Within the state, same. Sir, now at that time, what you will do? You will create a node level database. All right, bro. Come on, node level database. Sir, are you going to reload? Okay, tomorrow. Now you created a node level database to get the simple to get the your petrol price or else gold price. You created node level database. Every day it is changing. Sir, now whether you will define one task every day, some health check in whoever like a production support, they will do some of the activities, right? Every day health check they will do, application health check. They will run some reports manually and then they will take the data and then they will send to some business or else their managers. Okay, they will do like that. Whatever node level data pages are available, are you going to flush every day manually once you log into the application? Like, come on, no, right? Sir, people again, if you are doing like that, also people will ask you, hey, is there any way, automatic way to flush the data pages data automatically? Is it possible to flush the data pages data automatically? Means automatically flush means if you are reloading the data page, automatically we will get the updated data. Yes or no? Come on, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So refresh strategy. What is indirectly they will ask you. Okay, hey, I have scenario. Okay, I created one database. Okay, that data request level database or node level database. Sir, the whatever data I'm getting from node level database or request level database, every 2 hours keep on it is changing. Okay, but in a UI it is not updating. The database is related data. What we will do, generally we will tell that okay, I will flush the database. Are you going to flush the database manually in a production when users they're processing the case? No. Okay, we will not do like that. Uh, okay, so refresh strategy means what? Okay, refresh strategy means what? Okay, now again I'm going to say, if we want to reload the data pages based upon time intervals. Okay, time intervals. Okay, time intervals. Okay, time intervals. Then we can. Okay, then we can specify the refresh strategy in a database under load management tab. Just 5 minutes under load management tab. We will end up types of refresh strategies. What are the different types of refresh strategies are available? Okay, what are the different types of refresh strategies are available? Do not reload when again I am telling, requesting also, if we are preparing an interview basis, I'm telling you will not get anything, you will get like a zero. I'm telling you will get zero. If you are preparing interview basis questions, someone gives 200 questions or 500 questions. If I by heart those 500 questions, whether I can get the job, maybe you will get the job, but you cannot work. Sorry, interview questions also I'm covering. Even I'm asking you also. Tell me what are the questions they will ask you about data pages other than these things. I'm giving that option also to you. Mostly they will not go. You need to understand that question and then you can answer. If you understand this concept, Easily people can answer. Okay, what are the refresh strategies available for thread and requested level node, requested level data pages? For these two, these are the three end. Okay, what are the refresh strategies available for node level data pages?
Timer.
Okay, only this one and okay, remember this one also. Now tell me, you people only tell me, reload once per iteration means what? uh, Reload once per iteration means what? Come on, name itself it is telling.
Refresh.
Every time when we access the database, it will reload the data.
When, what bro? Come on.
When the database is referred,
uh,
it will reload the data.
okay, wherever you are referring the database, the first time it will reload the database. Agree? See, when I'm going to check the checkbox whether you are able to see remaining, no. You can see and reload once for interaction. When you are connecting with that report first time, that one also first time, right? It will reload. Come on, first time only, right? It will
First
reload.
time, one time.
Sir, when it is loading the database, when wherever we are referring the database, first time it will load the database. Okay, first time it will load the database. Okay, next one. Do not reload when. What do you mean? Come on.
If the when
Based on
condition is
You can
satisfied,
say,
then
sir. Sir,
When the
when
when rule
condition.
matches, it will not read.
Based upon the when condition, if you want to reload the data pages at that time, you can specify the when condition. Simple, bro. You are processing the case. Screen one, screen two. Okay, in screen one, okay, now you okay, the data page is loaded. Screen two, also you are referring a data page. At that time, if that when condition is satisfied, immediately, automatically you want to trigger your data page. At that time, what you will do? You will specify that when condition. Okay, and sir, I don't want to specify this one, I don't want to specify this one. Automatically I want to reload every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, every day, every 1 hour, 2 hours. At that time, what we will do? Okay, this one we will use. And okay na, everyone? Come on, sir. Okay, when you are
Could
okay,
you,
if you
sir,
are uh,
reload for instruction interruption? Could you please tell me once again?
sir, okay, when you are referring the database, okay, throughout the case, when you are referring the database, first time it will reload. See here itself, you can see first time only refresh the database during the first use of interaction. When you are accessing the database first time, it will load, bro.
Okay, okay.
Okay, when you are accessing the database, the first time, at that time it will load the database. Okay. Sir, condition basis, these are the different types of data pages are available. Again, here one more option is, I will write in a notepad. Sir, here final point and then we will wind up. Now here, go here. Now when I'm going to select the requester, at that time you can see the this checkbox. Okay, this checkbox. Tomorrow I will explain about okay, keyed access to database, parameterized database, and all. Okay, no worries. What is the use of checkbox?
Arjun,
Yes,
actually, I got one interview question. Can I ask you one?
yes.
If we have hundreds of data pages, if we want to flush all the data pages at a time, what is the best way? Actually, it is an interview question. I have this.
Okay, if you have 100 data pages at a time, you want to flush the
Flush.
data pages.
Yes. What is the better way?
Is there any okay, bro? Until see, depends, right? Okay, whatever I am telling, whether it is correct or not. First, what I will think is, okay, see, every day, some specific time, you want to refresh the data pages at a time means what I will do, simple my approach I'm telling. Okay, for example, I will create one activity. In that activity I will call all the data pages. Okay, and we'll use that px all whatever we have, right? uh, px clear all instances, and then I will schedule that activity based upon some time interval every day at morning at 1 a.m. Automatically it will refresh the data pages, right? Just like my approach I'm telling.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Actually, what I have said is the, PZ plus database, all things I have said, but they said like we have hundreds of pages, so it is like
It will load
very
only
hard.
one only, only one only.
Yeah,
But
it will
see,
be very.
my approach, I'm telling that, okay, okay, if it is reloading, I will create one activity. I will specify whatever the list of data pages to reload. Okay, sorry, to flush all the list of data pages, I will specify in my data transform or else activity. I will call that one in the job scheduler. I will schedule every day at 2 a.m. before loading, before logging into all the users, before logging into the application. I will schedule this one. It will flush the data pages, all the data pages.
Okay.
Okay, I'm telling my approach. In case
Yeah, yeah.
if someone, okay, if you have some idea, any Pega OTP thing, sir, oh, sorry, bro. We have one API also available. Sir, API is also available. DX, okay, API one. Okay, we can see the flushed data pages. API is also available. Just we can check, okay, Admin Studio, and you can see the cache management like that. Some API is also available. That is also one of the way, bro.
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
next one.
Okay,
Sorry,
Arjun.
okay, I will okay write this one and then we can wind up. What about this one? Clear data pages after not use. Sir, okay, now again, I'm going to mouse over here. Then you will get to know. Okay, just you can come on, tell me.
Sir, like if we are not using the databases for a long time, then automatically that
Yes,
database
exactly.
will.
Same only. And sir, if it is ideal, okay, from long back onwards, automatically it will remove those pages from where? Clipboard.
Clipboard.
Clipboard means automatically it will say automatically. Sometimes and I don't want to specify, here I don't want to specify the hours and all. Automatically I want to flush the data piece. At that time we can say in a load management, automatically if you check the checkbox, automatically it will flush the data pages. And okay na, requester level data page only for requester and node level data pages. Okay, I will write one by one and then we will wind up. Any questions about data pages theoretically? Any questions, sir?
Uh, Hi Arjun. There reload once per interaction is there, right?
Yes,
Checkbox.
yes,
So for the first time it will refresh.
yes.
So for the second time, like after 10 minutes, we'll set some time, right?
No, no,
Older if older.
we don't have any time. If you are going to check the checkbox, it will disable all. Either of
For
the
the
one.
second time,
Either of the one. Either you can use this one or else this one or else this one.
so for the second time, won't it get refresh?
No, it will not reload. Now, reload is different. Refresh is different, right? And reload means what it will do. It will go to the DB and then it will fetch the data, right? Hello. Refresh
Yeah.
is different and reload is different. Reload means what? It will go to the DB and then it will fetch the data. Refresh means it will fetch the data from clipboard when you are refreshing the screen. Why you are specifying this one? You want to reload and then to get the updated data. For that purpose only we are doing this refresh strategies.
Okay.
Sir, if you check
One
the clear database, yes, yes.
Yeah, same on the reload once per interaction. So suppose I created one database and check this checkbox reload once per interaction and refer the database in the table layout one of the screen. So first time I created one work object, so it's reload the database in the clipboard. So suppose I created second times one more work object, that time also it will refer from the database or from clipboard.
How, bro? Both are different threads, right?
Yeah, both are different threads.
Both are different threads. Why you will do click on this reload? If it will reload separately, right? Different threads, right? It will reload separately, right, bro?
Okay, reload once per interaction means one arc object, right? Per
Yes,
interaction, what means
yes,
one arc object.
yes. You are
Okay,
okay. It is not related to one work or X work object, Y work object. Different, right? Both threads are different, right? It will reload again. It will reload again. If you
okay,
check
okay.
the okay, it will clear the requester and node level data pages related data automatically. It will clear the requester and node level data pages correlated data when it is ideal mode. No need to specify that time. What about this one? Reload once per interaction means what?
This is idle mode you said, right? Idle for how many hours we can consider? It's
No,
like
that's not.
1 hour.
No, no, it's not
Okay.
like that. It's not like that. See, if you're not using, see, okay, every
Okay.
time some users will access, right, bro?
Correct, correct, correct. Okay, okay.
That's why I didn't specify the time, days, okay? Hours, minutes, seconds, okay, seconds. Okay, if you want to reload the data pages, then we can specify. Okay, we'll discuss practically if we. It will reload. Okay, it will reload the data pages at the first time. Okay, first time it will reload the data pages, the particular referring the data pages in a screen level to wherever you are referring. Okay, this is about data pages theoretically. What we will do tomorrow, we'll discuss about practically. Okay, if I didn't complete tomorrow, then tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we'll discuss data pages also. RDB methods is okay. No need to creating a database mapping rule like that. Okay, what Manasri? RDB method is there key. There is no need to create a database mapping rule for external table like that Oracle. Then how Pega searches the see now you are writing a DB query, right? You are writing right. If you are writing like PR underscore DB underscore table name itself, you are giving right. See, connectivity will be there and connection is different. Table and class is different. Database mapping rule, what it will do? It will make a connectivity between your Pega class and table. But database connectivity will be there, right? Pega application and database connection is there. Database connection will be there, right? You are specifying.
No, if we specify the database mapping rule, then we can know there is connectivity between Pega class and that external database table. If not, how Pega knows there is a connection with that, how it will search for the records from that some other Oracle external database table by
Okay,
using our.
how you are writing a query Pega data? What is the data? Data is the schema and PR underscore. Okay, what is this one? PR underscore. See
Table
here
name.
clearly. Okay, how it will be? How it will write a query is a table name. Okay, just like a table name. See, directly you are giving a table name. Directly you are giving a schema name. And already your database role, what it will do, this database role, it will make a connectivity between your Pega application and external database, right? In this external database, what is this one? Schema, right? And
Yes.
in this schema, this table will be available or not? Directly it will connect or not?
So then in that case, even for connecting to external database table, we need to create a database rule.
No,
Is it
this one is required, right? This is the
required?
otherwise how we will make a connectivity between
No,
Pega and
that
Yeah.
is mandatory.
this is the
Yeah,
mandatory.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, this is the mandatory.
Mm.
Thank-
One more
So you are
thing.
providing the table name in there.
Yes.
Uh, when reload, do not load when condition is there. No
Mm,
refresh strategy. Can
mm.
you go there?
Yes.
So do not load. Reload when means when condition satisfied, then it will not reload the data page, isn't it?
Yes. When true, don't reload this database.
Okay, okay, got it.
Arjun,
Yes.
I have one doubt.
Yes.
Is there any link between the page structure and scope, or like scope of page, like where we can set the thread node? In page structure, we can simply set the page list or savable.
Means
For suppose I created one data page
uh,
with the page structure page. For that, I want to save. I want to set the scope as node.
oh, okay. This one you are saying that
Is
if I create any the page or requester, right? See again. Okay.
yes,
Is there any restrictions like that you are saying?
yes,
Okay.
exactly.
I didn't try any time. Okay. Mostly we will call the thread level data pages in our page only, right? Why? Because see, you are referring just you can think like that, some generic way you can think. See, whatever
Okay,
pages you are referring, that pages need to get the updated data. Agree?
yes.
Okay. At that time, what type of database you will create? Generally, you can think like that.
I will create the savable data page for
No, no.
updating purpose.
After that, how we will call this savable database in a page?
Editable.
Editable.
No, how we will call this? Okay, how we will call this savable? How we will refer this savable database in that page?
By keeping the mode as savable.
No, మీ క్వశ్చన్ చెప్పండి ఫస్ట్ పేజ్కి.
ఇప్పుడు పేజీకి స్ట్రక్చర్ కి స్కోప్ కి ఏమైనా ఇంటర్ లింక్ ఏమైనా ఉంటుందా? లైక్ ఫస్ట్ నేను పేజ్ సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ రిక్వెస్ట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలని, నోడే సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలని,
లేదు లేదు
రిక్వెస్ట్
అలాంటిది ఏం లేదు, అదేం లేదు. నేను అక్కడ రిఫర్ అనుకున్నాను. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి కదా, అదే దానికి ఏం లేదు. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మనకి
ఓకే
పేజ్ దగ్గర యాక్సెస్ టు అలా ఉన్నాయి కదా, అది అనుకుంటున్నాను నేను. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఇన్ ప్రాపర్టీ లెవెల్ ఆల్సో వీ కెన్ స్పెసిఫై ది డేటా పేజెస్, అది అనుకుంటున్నాను నేను. ఓకే, నో
ఓకే
నో
ఓకే
ఇట్స్ నాట్ లైక్ దట్. ఓకే,
నా
హియర్ యూ
నా
కెన్ సీ.
డౌట్ ఏంటంటే అర్థమైంది, ఆటోమేటికల్లీ రెఫరెన్స్ చేసి. కాకపోతే లైక్ పేజ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ కి అండ్ స్కోప్ కి ఏమైనా ఇంటర్ లింక్
నో
ఉందా?
నో నో
ఎల్స్ ఏమైనా రెస్ట్రిక్షన్ ఉందా?
నో
లేకపోతే మనం అక్కడ పేజ్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసి ఇక్కడ రిక్వెస్ట్ కానీ, నోడ్ కానీ, లేకపోతే థ్రెడ్ కానీ ఏదైనా స్కోప్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అన్నది అడుగుతాను.
nothing. You are copying a data, right? From data page, you are
ఎస్ ఎస్
copying data to your page. There is no restrictions like that.
ఓకే ఓకే
Just
థ్యాంక్ యూ
you can
అర్జున్.
think like a plain page, from page to page. That's it.
ఓకే ఓకే అర్జున్.
Okay. Thank you all.
Tomorrow,
Sir,
can you
sir, we
explain?
have one more option, like one more checkbox, like limit to a single data page. Could you please explain that one?
Where?
Sir, like, could you please change the scope once? Like, can you keep it as a thread?
Okay.
Scope as thread as of now. Scope.
Okay.
And could you please go to load management?
Okay.
Okay, like we have one more checkbox,
Oh,
sir, like
I
load.
think mode to be in edit mode.
Oh, yeah, yes. Yeah. Mm,
Um,
Okay.
okay,
See
sir,
and update me.
I will
Okay.
tomorrow I will.
Okay.
Okay.
Arjun, can you please explain response data transform if possible tomorrow?
Okay. Tomorrow I will explain practical
Yeah.
things. Okay.